That's what I like the most about Wizards products. It just seems like they're giving a quality product in less of time.
Let's see.
You have that Mystic spray wax up there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so it almost does the same thing as this, but the ingredients are different.
It's a different type of polymer than what you have in the Mist and Shine. When you use this one, you're going to notice it's a little thicker in consistency, but you can use it on all the same surfaces.
Is there going to be even a difference on top of this, or no?
Yeah. So again, because they're both polymers, you're going to get that layering effect out of it. You will feel more slickness with that spray wax, slicker yet, if you can believe that, than the Mist and Shine. Now, with it being a little thicker in consistency, what I do with that spray wax is I'll actually use two cloths. I'll use one to kind of spread the product out, and one to take it off. But it's still a super easy on, easy off application.